بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to science class with a new topic. Let's start our class. Open your books. Students, let's revise our previous lecture. The skeletal system. We had read about skeletal system that bones combined together make a skeleton. Then we read about different types of bones. And then we read about functions of skeleton, that it gives shape to our body, it protects our important organs. For example, rib cage protect our heart and lungs, and skull protect our brain, and skeleton help us to stand erect. Students, now let's start our today's lecture. Today we will read about the second organ system. The second organ system, that is the muscular system. The muscular system. Now student, what is muscular system? What is muscular system? Muscular system is made up of many muscles. Muscular system is made up of many muscles which cover our whole skeleton. Muscular system and skeletal system works together. Muscular system and skeletal system works together. And how it works together? For example, when we move our hand, so when the muscles of the hand moves, the bones of our hand also move with that muscles. Students, now let's start our reading. The muscular system. The muscular system. The muscles make up the muscular system. The muscles make up the muscular system. Students, as I have told you, our muscular system is made up of muscles. Our muscular system is made up of muscles. This system, this means muscular system. Muscular system works closely with the skeletal system and forms part of the body's framework. Framework means supporting structure. Framework means supporting structure. This system works closely with the skeletal system and forms part of the body's framework. Students, the muscles present on the skeleton are called skeletal muscles. The muscles present on the skeleton are called skeletal muscles. And as I have told you at the start of the lecture, that skeletal system and muscular system. Skeletal system and muscular system works together. Skeletal system and muscular system works together, and combinedly it forms a supporting structure of the body. Combinedly it forms a supporting structure of the body. Muscles allow us to move different parts of the body. Muscles allow us to move different parts of the body. Now, the function of the muscles is it helps us in movement of different body parts. The function of the muscle is it helps us in movement of different body parts. With the help of muscles, we can run, we can jump, we can walk, we can play, etc. Clear, students? Students, now I am going to tell you short summary of today's lecture if you are not clear about any point. So students, what we study today? Today we study about the muscular system. The muscular system. That muscular system is made up of many muscles. Muscular system is made up of many muscles. Muscular system and skeletal system works together and form a supporting structure of the body. Then we study function of muscular system. That muscles help us in movement. That with the help of muscles we can move our body parts. With the help of muscles we can move our body parts. Students, now I am giving you homework. Come to page 8. Your homework is exercise question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Which organ controls all the systems and organs in the body? A. Nose. B. Brain. C. Heart. D. Skin. Which is the correct answer in these 4 options? You will circle that. Clear, students? Second one. Which 2 sense organs do we use when we cross a road? Eyes, tongue, ears, nose. 3 number. Which waste product does the skin get rid of? Blood, sweat, tears, urine. 4th. Which organ tells us what we are seeing? A. Nose. B. Ear. C. Brain. D. Liver. 5th one. What does the blood travel in to move around the body? Lungs, veins and arteries, muscles and skin. D. Brain. Which is the correct answer in these 4 options? You will circle that. Clear, students? Okay, students. Take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.